Hi, I'm Jonathan from RRG and I'm absolutely delighted to have Ian Cheeseman with me here today. Ian, as some of you may already know, is a Manchester City video blogger. Now we brought him out here for a slightly different reason. We're here at Old Trafford, but we're going to take Ian on a challenge to see how quickly he can escape from Old Trafford to the Etihad. And the challenge is to do that in pure EV mode in the Toyota Yaris. Okay, but before we send Ian away on his test drive challenge, his hybrid test drive challenge, I'm going to just ask Ian, when have you been so desperate to escape from Old Trafford in the past? Would you like to tell us a little story about being glad to get away from this place?
All the time, really. I saw United beat Roma, I think, something like 7-1 with some friends of mine here. Came and wanted to watch Maradona play for Barcelona, which he did. United won 3-0. Great night for United. Fantastic game.
Wow.
But I hated it, every minute of it. But in terms of derbies, I used to commentate for the BBC, and Michael Owen scored a late winner in a 4-3 victory. I was commentating, I was on the microphone, I'm a blue. Oh God, it was such a torment to do that. But I actually did it. I did it the best I could, as professional as I could. The next day I worked into the office and I got a standing ovation from people in the office who knew I was a big blue and said, "How did you do that? That was so professional, you didn't sound like a City fan." I said, "Because it's my job." But it cut me to the chase. I hated every minute of it.
So there are great acting skills from Ian there, absolutely amazing. So anyway, if you want to try this for yourself, telematics test drive, what we do, we've got a device fitted to the car, we're tracking the test drive, and now it's time to send Ian on his challenge on a telematics test drive in the Toyota Yaris from Old Trafford to the Etihad. Good luck, Ian. Let's see how well you can do. Let's see how far you can get in EV mode.
No problem. I accept the challenge.
Thank you.
Yaris, love it. This is a nice car to drive, I can't deny that. I have to declare as well, by the way, I'm a big fan of Toyota. I think the way that this car's designed, not just this one but other Toyotas that I've driven, is really smooth, and you don't have to convince me what a good car it is. And it is going to be interesting for me as well to see how economical this is. I mean, I'm looking at the display here, obviously driving carefully at the same time, and I can see that it's averaging at the moment 67.2 miles per gallon, which, you know, in town traffic, just crawling along here, is pretty impressive. But it's just a nice car to drive as well, and especially now that I'm going away from Old Trafford. Reckon I'm about halfway here. Main road just over that way. Starting to feel like city territory again. And of course, Derby Day. What a big day that is. But with the blue, the right colour. Well, here we are, home of the champions. Starting to feel cleaner air. So nice to be here.
Okay, so welcome home, Ian. What a spectacular arrival here at the stadium. How did you find it?
Well, as I said when I was driving along, I'm a fan of the Toyota anyway. I like this style of Yaris. It drives very smoothly. I'm looking at the readouts. I can feel quite good about myself because I'm thinking I'm being green here. I'm feeling good because I'm arriving at the Etihad. So it works on every level to me. A nice car, and I'd be interested to see the readout that you're going to show me.
This telematics test drive is available for everybody. So if you go to your nearest RRG Toyota centre, you can arrange a telematics test drive, and what happens is, as you set off out on the drive, or as Ian set out on his drive today, we press activate, it maps that journey, it then looks at what percentage of that journey you've done in EV mode, what your overall efficiency is, and at the end of the journey, when we press stop, you will then be emailed, Ian, the results of that test drive, so you can see just how economical the Toyota hybrid range is. So okay, that's brilliant, thank you.
Don't you want to hear a story about City winning a derby?
Oh, I knew you were forgetting something. Yeah.
A great City moment here.
Of course, yeah. So how could I forget? Obviously, Ian's been kind enough to make some lovely remarks about his moments at Old Trafford in favour of Manchester United fans. So I think it's only right now he gets chanced here now to tell us his amazing story from City. So what is the best moment you've had here then, Ian?
I was commentating the first half of each half. It was 3 games from the end of the 2012 season. City had to win. Vincent Kompany rises, heads in the ball.
That,
City win 1-0.
Yeah.
Amazing. They went to Newcastle and QPR. Guerrero, all the rest is history.
Yeah.
But that Vincent Kompany goal is behind me, the statue,
wow. Yeah,
the tribute to him.
Still celebrating.
Magnificent, magnificent,
Yeah.
and I'll never forget that moment. But there's been so many happy memories of beating United here.
I think obviously with that story and what happened just after that, it is the one, isn't it? Definitely.
Amazing. So great to be here with a nice car.
Brilliant.
At my home ground.
Thanks again to Ian. What a brilliant thing you've given up your time to do this for us. Really appreciate it, and we look forward to making a video again for you very soon, and most importantly we hope everybody enjoys the derby. Thank you very much.
Especially if you're a Blue.